After you catch a fish, it's time to remove the hook. Here are some tips on how to make the hook removal process quick and easy. Have a net on hand. Using a net gives you more control over the fish and allows you to keep it in the water longer, which makes for a happier, healthier fish. Use a circle hook. In general, circle hooks do a better job of hooking the fish in the mouth than compared to long shank hooks or J hooks, which frequently get caught deep in the fish's throat. Not only is it easier to remove a hook from a fish's mouth than deep in their throat, it's also better for the health of the fish. Have pliers on hand. Pliers give you extra leverage and finesse that can help you remove stubborn hooks. To remove the hook, you first want to wet your hands and gently grasp the fish. With your dominant hand, grab the hook by the end that you tie your line to and point it toward the fish's body. Gently wiggle and push in the opposite direction. Don't yank the hook straight out or you'll rip the fish's mouth. A set of pliers can make this job much easier no matter where the hook is set. Once you have removed the hook, hold the fish in the water and give it a minute to catch his breath. Taking the time to revive your fish ensures that it is lively upon release. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Take Me Fishing YouTube channel, and for more helpful fishing tips, visit takemefishing.org.